Calamity has struck. This necklace has been snapped and it needs rethreading. For this I'm going to use Griffin's natural silk bead cord. It comes in black and white and in a few sizes. Here's 4, 6 and 8, and I've established that size 6 white is the best match for this. Now here's the cool part. The Griffin silk cord comes with a wire at one end, which you can cut to whatever length you want to work with, and this is going to act like a needle without you needing to thread it onto a needle. So you can pass it straight through the hole on any bead, and you don't have to worry about it being too thick for the bead hole. Now let's assume the worst has happened and all of your beads are loose. I recommend holding them in the palm of your hand and threading them on 1 or 2 at a time as you go. However, if the beads are still on the string and you have the visibility to be able to do so, I recommend pinching them between your thumb and forefinger and using that wire to carefully thread them through the bead holes while it's still on the string, essentially feeding it onto the new string in a controlled fashion. And you are going to work your way along 4 to 5 beads at a time, however many you can fit between your thumb and forefinger. And once you get to the end of the necklace, you can remove that wire section because that has now done its job. You're going to do a double knot, make sure it's nice and tight, cut off any excess, hide that knot under a bead or pearl, and then you have successfully rethreaded a necklace using Griffin Silk Thread.